What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the HTTPS only mode in your Firefox browser, right? So go ahead and open up your Firefox on your computer, and you want to click on the burger menu in the top right hand side and go to settings. Now on the left hand side you have privacy and security. You want to click on that, and you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom to where you'll find the HTTPS only mode. Now as you can see, currently it is turned off, as it says don't enable HTTPS only mode. But if you click the first option here where you see enable HTTP only mode in all windows, you will be able to have that check. You also have the second option that says enable HTTP only mode in private browser only. So you can do it within private browser, or you can do it in the entire Windows, right? For all Windows. So this is basically where you go to enable the HTTP only mode in Firefox. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.